My beautiful dog. His name's Luna. Her full name's Lunabelle. Want to see her? No, I'm trying not to. Lunabelle. Hi. Hi. Who's the most beautiful dog in the world? You, of course. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? She licked my mouth a little bit earlier today. I'm not so happy about that. But she's adorable. Oh, boy. Well, nah. Oh, she's tired. Well, you seen her. Well, Lunabelle. Well, bye. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.